everybody! We're getting ready for Barbie Math on Thursday, and Math Bunny has to look so beautiful to hang out with all of her best friends, you and the Barbies. So she is totally having to take a bath. And while she's at it, she's going to wash all of the outfits for the Barbies to wear. So I went downstairs and I found the bag of Barbie clothes, and when I went to take the Barbie clothes out, I found Princess Jasmine. Hi everybody! Woo! And I also found 12 Dancing Princesses Barbie. Yay! That's such a good movie. You should watch it. So they're in the bag of clothes, so they're gonna get to go to Barbie Math. I found my sister's baby doll and a webkin and Luke Skywalker's coat. He's gonna need that. And who else is in here? A wig? We don't want to wash that. Who else is here? Another 12 Dancing Princesses Barbie? Woo! Oh my gosh, it's an extra Elvis. Let's see, what else? A shoe? What else is in here? Oh, some little Barbies. What else? This is so fun. Who's this? Oh my gosh, it's Frankenstein. She wants to play math. Let's see, who else is in here? I don't know. Anybody else? I'm sure there's lots of... Oh my gosh, is that Twilight Sparkle? Woo! So this is going to be so fun. So I'm going to wash all the Barbie clothes and Math Bunny, because she got a little dirty last week making cookies and playing with cars. Right, Math Bunny? Yeah. I got dirty. So we're going to get all beautiful, and we'll see you Thursday for Barbie Math with Math Bunny.